Welcome, children, to yet another interesting class of general knowledge. The next topic that we are going to cover is days to celebrate. Now, there are many important days that we celebrate. Leaving our birthdays, it is the important day, most important day, the day you were born, but there are other days also. Now we are going to play it. Okay, I am going to tell you the date and I will show you a picture, and you will tell me which day do we celebrate on the date that I am showing. Okay, now the first date is 22 March, and this is the picture. If you can see in the picture, there is a hand which is saving a drop of water. Now, which day do we celebrate? It is Water Day. Okay, we celebrate Water Day, and we celebrate it because we promise ourselves that we will save water. Okay, so please take care whenever you are brushing your teeth or you are washing your hands. You have to make sure that the tap is off when you are not using it. ठीक है, many people, what do, they brush their teeth and they keep their taps open and the water keeps running. So that should not happen. Okay, अगर आप देखते हो किसी और को करते हुए, so you will stop them also. Okay, because we have to save water. Now let me tell you the next date. It is 5 September, and this is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate his birthday on this day. Now there is a quote. Okay, a life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. So he was a very good teacher. Okay, and he always promoted that each and every child should have education. Basic education is important. Okay, so can you tell me which day do we celebrate? You make cards, remember? Yes, it is the Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Now, let me tell you the next date. It is 31st May. And see the picture. Yes. So, can you think of the day that we will celebrate here? There is a cigarette and it says no. This is the sign of a no, right? ये no का sign है ना? So, can you tell me what day do we celebrate on 31st May? Yes, it is the No Tobacco Day. Okay, we celebrate it on 31st May. Why? Because we want our adults, जो हमारे adults हैं, उन्हें हमें बताना है that tobacco is not good for health. It causes cancer. Okay. So, in future, if you see anyone smoking or chewing tobacco, so you will tell them not to do so because it is bad for them. Okay. Now, let me tell you the next date. It is 14th of November, and this is the picture. It is picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved roses. And he loved one more thing very much, and that is why we celebrate his birthday as, tell me, come on fast. Yes, Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children. He enjoyed with them, and that is the reason why we celebrate his birthday, that is 14th of November, as Children's Day. Okay. Now, let me tell you the next date. It is 15th of August. Very important day for our country. Now, can you see birth of India's freedom. We got freedom on this day. So can you tell me what do we celebrate? Yes, we celebrate Independence Day. Okay, so please remember this. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Now here we have another date, 22 April, and I have a message. Thank you, Earth. We thank our Earth on this day, that is 22 April. Can you tell me what day do we celebrate on this date? Yes, we celebrate Earth Day because our planet has given many things to us. It has given us life, it gives us water, right? And that is why we thank our earth on this day, that is 22 April. Now you must have come to know about many important days and dates that we celebrate. That is all for today. Thank you so much and bye bye.